Let's try to answer this practice question. So this question is under Nursing Practice 1, Care of the Community Utilizing the Nursing Process or CHN. This question is under the category Remembering based on Bloom's taxonomy. The question reads, identify the CHN focus aimed at preventing illness in populations. So we have here 4 choices just like in the board exam. You may pause this video and comment your answers. So the correct answer for that question is letter B, disease prevention as focus. Let's rationalize it. Basahin ulit natin yung question. Identify the CHN focus aimed at preventing illness. Yan yung keyword sa question. Preventing illness in population. Yan yung hinahanap dito. Bakit letter B yung tamang sagot? Kasi ito yung naka-align sa DOH program na in-offer sa community level. Disease prevention alongside with health promotion are the primary focus in the Philippine setting. Letter B talaga yung tamang sagot kasi naka-align siya sa DOH programs such as expanded program on immunization and non-communicable diseases screening, which is aimed to reduce mortality and morbidity at a community level. So bakit nga ba mali yung other choices? Let's rationalize. Letter A, nakalagay optimum level of functioning or all of. Yung all of kasi guys, yung ultimate goal ng CHN, hindi siya yung primary focus. Magkaiba yon ha. Si letter C naman, health promotion as priority. Closely related siya, pero nakafocus kasi siya sa enhancing wellness and lifestyle rather than preventing the disease. Eh yun yung tanong. Letter D, self-reliance or independence. Eto goal din siya ng CHN, pero hindi kasi siya nakafocus sa preventing illness in populations, kaya mali siya. And that's it for the practice question for today. You may follow us on our social media accounts nle.ph. And don't forget to visit our website at nle.ph for more realistic mock exams, targeted practice tests with rationale, and updated pa siya sa latest na TOS. I'm Nurse Carla and see you on the next video. Good luck, future RNs! Bye!